Hello. Welcome to this QBasic session, and in this session we are going to talk about now what is modular programming. Actually this concept is given in grade 10 and the school ASE Nepal. So what is module? Let's see here. What is module? Module means a separate part, means a piece, you can say that, and that piece we get when we divide the larger program into smaller programs. So that smaller number of programs, they are called the module. And when we follow this technique is called modular programming. So in this technique what happens, we break the large program into smaller and manageable and independent sections or the codes, and that independent sections, they are called modules. So when we follow this technique while writing the codes, this is called modular programming. It's very simple. So in very simple way we can define in software development process, modular programming, it is that technique which emphasizes or focuses writing the code in separate way, yes, in separate block, and its separate block it is called modules, and all the blocks, they are independent to each other. We can reuse them whenever needed. They have their own inputs, outputs, or we can say the logics. Okay, now we have here what is the advantage of modular programming. It's very simple. First is readability, means whenever we write the code, it becomes smaller and it becomes easier to read and understand its logics. And next is easier debugging and the testing, means whenever there is bug in our program, we can fix them very easily and we can test them individually without affecting entire program or the large program. So that is the second advantage. Next is reusability. So reusability means once we write the program using this modular technique, we can reuse them again and again whenever needed. Okay, with little or no modification there. The next is maintenance. Maintenance means sometimes we have to add some extra feature, sometimes we have to remove the existing feature, and sometimes we have to put some patch files, etc. So that is called maintenance. And maintaining such type of modules, it is easier for us when they are written using in multiple sections or multiple blocks. Same thing is written here. Changes are localized to individual modules. Team collaboration. So what is meaning of team collaboration? It means if we are working on a project and that is complex and time consuming, then we can use this technique so that particular programmer can work on particular module, second programmer can work on second module, and so on, and simultaneously improving the productivity. So that is called team collaboration, means we can work in a team. The next is scalability. So what is the meaning of scalability? Scalability simply say that it is scalable, means we can add the features as we need, we can reduce the features, or we can remove the components if not needed, then new features can be added or the existing features can be subtracted, we can say there in the system as per the demand is there. So this is the meaning of modular programming, and it's very simple. In QBasic, when we talk about it's for the beginner level, actually it has two types of modules. The modular programming, we can say techniques. The first is a sub in sub, and next is a function in function. Okay, in next section we'll be talking about these sub in sub and the function in function procedures. Okay, or the we can say modules. Thank you. Keep on tuning. Okay.